Developing a career as a scientist is a challenge for anyone. But for scientists who come from underrepresented minority backgrounds, it can be particularly difficult. And so the Institute established the Exceptional Scholars Program to be able to give both financial and professional support to young scientists from diverse backgrounds at the point in their career where so often these young scientists fail.
Icah's mission is to do research to understand and eliminate health inequities and health disparities. The reason the Exceptional Scholars Program fits so beautifully with our mission is it's allowing us to diversify our workforce, because diverse workforces are better workforces. It's allowing us to support the brightest and best scholars who can help do health equity research. And it's allowing us to do the strongest science we possibly can for that aim.
We need these bright young people with new ideas to challenge the current paradigm. That's how progress is made. The award is saying to these young scientists that we at the Institute believe in you. We believe in your potential.
I'm proud to be part of an institution, namely Mount Sinai, that recognizes that there are barriers to success that some people face more than others, and that have supported us in the Institute for Health Equity Research in having an Exceptional Scholars Program that helps tear down these barriers that have been up for far too long.
My long-term goal is to find ways to extend the life of cancer patients that are dealing with this devastating disease. The questions that you can ask and then find the ways to address that question, I think that's the most exciting thing for me. Is in that moment when you have a problem and then you say, okay, so maybe this is the solution. And you need to have ideas, otherwise you don't move forward. You have to have creativity, you need to have originality, you need to have perseverance. When I received the news that I received this award, I was thrilled to be selected one of the inaugural recipients, specifically because the goal of this award was to propel the career trajectory of underrepresented faculty. And being a Latina female investigator, I know that the challenges to succeed in this career are not minor. The project that is funded by Icahn is about understanding the biology of disseminated tumor cells. We have succeeded in creating or designing treatments to treat your primary tumors. For many years, these patients are in remission, meaning that they don't have any disease, but eventually they relapse. And we believe that that is because these tumor cells that were resistant to the chemotherapy somehow survive in this dormancy. And eventually, when the right conditions are there, they could reactivate and then they form the metastasis. Either we can improve or we can extend the survival rate of these patients by understanding how these disseminating tumor cells behave. So we can either eradicate them or we can maintain dormancy for a longer period of time. So that's the goal of my whole research program. This is like shifting the paradigm on how we treat the disease. As one of the recipients of this award, I think that in a way they're supporting my science, and that gives me the extra push that you need as a young investigator to keep doing what you are doing and accept or realize that the people believe in your science and that this is important.